Hello guys, don't you ever wonder, like, I want to create this specific design of my eye, but you're kind of scared that it won't come true because you're not a perfect makeup artist or whatever you want to name yourself. But I want to prove you guys wrong. You don't have to be, because you can be. Self-confidence, you won't know until you try. So let's get into the video. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this look here. So I just finished doing my other makeup tutorial, but this makeup, I already have the colors. So what I'm going to do differently is that I'm going to use a brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to use this flosser, and I'm going to draw a crease in it, and I'm going to be using this kind of brush here. So I'm going to use hard, since I already have the colors, so it's already easy to apply. All you have to do is lay this flosser here and just go in and just over it. If you don't know how to do a cut crease, this is a great tool technique. Now, if you guys know who is Glam by Susan is, this is what she usually do for her tutorials. And she used that now I'm going to go in and use the gold. I love gold, and it's my favorite. So I'm going to use this one here, and I'm going to apply. And there's no rule of you can't or you cannot, because you can. If I can do it, you guys can do it. You have to manifest it, and you can also create your own little uniqueness to it as well. It don't have to be the exact same as the model. Alright, so I'm gonna get, and if you're not good at drawing a wing, you can use this. And draw your, see? Perfect. And all you need is some concealer to clean it up. See, you're just gonna apply it right underneath. That's it. And you're gonna dab, you're gonna put a little sponge. See? Easy. If I can do it, guys, you can do it. All you have to do is manifest it, and you're fine. Trust and believe the process. Just keep staying confident to yourself and saying you got it, and it's going to look good. I don't have a headpiece, but I am going to be creative and use some stickers. So I'm going to take the small, and I'm going to put some here. One there, and I think she had one in front of her eye. Oops. Okay. So just thinking about just using the big stones, and just make a circle. And these stickers come with the I Envy makeup palette, you guys. Do it like that. Oh, that is cute. Be right back. I'm gonna show you guys the opposite side. And that's it, you guys. You can do everything by just manifesting. And all you need is the warm tones to do that look. A lighter shade of brown, your gold, and a liner. It don't have to be exact as the model, but it's close enough. And I didn't have the jewelry headset, but I made some stickers and I had fun with it. So you always have to think outside the box of creating and manifesting, because you can do something and you will. So you have to say yes you can, and instead of the opposite, okay? So I want to say thank you guys for tuning in. So you manifest your makeup look and you can do it. You can achieve anything. Alright guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hello beauties, well that is the end of the video. I hope that you guys really enjoyed and felt inspired of this makeup tutorial. I wanted to show you guys that you can achieve any and everything just by manifesting. It's not going to be perfect, it's not going to be the same exact pattern or color as the model. It's going to be your own way and you're going to achieve it that way. So I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.